This assemble this chair is a dining chair. It's called Hansel. I bought this at a discounted price in IKEA. But this is really what I want, like high back and then upholstered, quite thick. See? Okay, open the box. So this was in the box, the manual, the back, oh the seat, and this is the backrest. The backrest, the tools with one Allen, 4 screws, and this is the front, 2 front legs. See, just like that. It needs to be assembled on a table. That's what it says here. You see, on top of the table, like this. There's a table, see? That's step 1. And then step 2. Step 3. You just follow the drawing. And then step 4. The Velcro, you connect it at the back. This screws is quite long, you see? It's pointed. And there's a thread here. And you just put the washer, 2 washers actually. One is kind of flat, you see? The other one is it's not really flat, the small one. And just like this. See, this is really not difficult actually. The seat already has a design, and if you look at it, there are holes here. See, the holes, and there's a like a Torx. There's a Torx. I show you right here. This is a Torx. You just put it in here in this hole, and the screw goes to here. It goes like this, okay, to this portion here of the other foot of, or the other legs of the chair. See, I already connected them, the seat to the backrest, the guide of the Torx, and then I just need to put the screw here, both sides, on both sides. It's kind of messy here because I'm assembling. This is the 3rd chair actually, so I didn't take a video on the others. So just like that, just screw it using the Allen key. See, it's already, see this one here, I show you. That one is the screw. You must do it really tight because you see, it will be like shaky if people were, you know, big, or you know, we always move around, so it must be, otherwise this will fall off. See, it's already tight here, and on the other side it's gonna be the last push. See, so it's not shaking. After that is this one, need to connect the Velcro. Okay, this one. So it's not the Velcro, I made a mistake. It's gonna be like the front legs. See, there's also a hole here, and there's a groove too. It will go to this one here. There's a like a Torx. See this? And both sides. This is the front leg, something like this. I show you. You just kind of like, or maybe this one belongs to the other side. Yeah, like this. You see, there's the groove, and the other side is this one. Sorry, like that. Just push this in, and then the screw goes from there, from that hole. See the 2 front legs already. Stalls, you have to be very patient actually, because this is really tight, you see, otherwise you will break the stapler here on the thread, on the cloth, or you will, you know, damage this thread. So you have to be very careful to shoot. You see, it just fits, and then you have to put the screw here, same time here, and then just do it like that. my video, there's a box there. That's the what's that? The grill that arrived yesterday. I still need to assemble it. It's kind of messy. I just here need to assemble a lot of things. Few things. Okay. So it's already so tight. And the last one is this one. I need to connect this Velcro here. See? Pull it up so that the cover, the cloth, won't be like sagging. You just pull it here. So now it's really tight. See? See? So I'm gonna show you how it is. Okay, let me put it down first. So this is the finished chair assembly. See, it's not sturdy. It's kind of thick. You see this? It's very thick and high back. See, I like this one because you see, this one won't scratch the wall when you're sitting. So isn't it nice? It's this dining chair. Looks elegant. Actually.